The Edgertons have farmed this border country for 400 years or more. John Edgerton is the latest generation. He worries about his children's future, and he worries about Brexit, about the French market for his lambs, and about a possible US trade deal that could undercut his beef. And 25% of his earnings is from artificial insemination, making house calls to service other farms with bull semen.
I have to cross the border up to 10 times in the one go to get from one customer to another.
His clients are also in the north, but the border here is so winding that he has to cross it repeatedly to move about.
Crossing into the UK now.
We tried the journey ourselves, driving in a straight line. With a hard border, each crossing would need a checkpoint, and there are hundreds of crossings.
So now we're back in Ireland, and the signs are in kilometres again. That purple sign, welcome to Fermanagh and Omagh. We're back in the UK. The yellow markings on the road have been replaced again by the UK style, which is white ones. So now we've actually become the border on this road. To the right, the Republic of Ireland, and to the left, the UK. The road markings are yellow again. We're back in Ireland. Okay, welcome to Fermanagh and Omagh. That's our 7th crossing in 9.7 miles going in one direction.
It's beautiful country here, but before the Good Friday Agreement, these hills were dangerous and violent.
It was not uncommon to come across a group of British soldiers moving through the undergrowth, combat formation, weapons loaded. Those were the bad old days, and no one wants those back again.
Farming is so uncertain as it is, and to not know where your sheep's going to go to next year, or where your cattle's going to end up, it's hard to make investments. It's hard to be positive.
The people here have known violence, and now they know peace. They don't know what a no-deal Brexit will bring. What they do know is that no one wants the ghosts of the past returning to haunt the present again.